everyone, Namaste. I am Ruchika Garg here, your psychospiritual wellness coach, and welcome to Conscious Jiva, which is a community for people like you who want to live a life that is more positive, that is more uplifting, that makes you more awake, aware, and alive. Yes, so welcome again to Conscious Jiva. So if you are visiting Conscious Jiva for the first time, please make sure you hit a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. And if you are back here again after watching a few of my videos, then welcome back. Now today I have a very personal topic to share with you all, and this is something that literally brought so much peace to me that I want to share this with you today. I am going to share how I used mindfulness to make peace with my struggles and how I actually created a better version out of myself just by making peace with my own struggles. Okay, so let me go back to the time when I was probably 14, 15. Yes, so those were the best years of my life, and like it was like almost everything was perfect. Okay, I was very good in studies. I was very confident about everything. I used to participate in all extracurricular activities apart from sports. Yeah, so I used to participate in everything. I had the guts, I had the courage to explore everything. I was doing so well. I had focus, I had extremely good memory. I had excellent time management skills, no procrastination. I was, doing extremely good to even my own body. I would just think that, from tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning and do yoga. And I would do that from the next day. Like there was no thinking again that, should I not, I'm lazy, nothing. So it was like perfect. And this old Ruchika, that old version of mine, I had been missing that old version of mine for so many years. I had been asking myself, where is that Ruchika, that was so amazing, and I wish I could be that person again. I wish I had that same level of focus. I was literally grieving because I felt I had lost that part of myself, and I was feeling lost because I literally didn't know what to do to get it back. So my struggle was about trying to find that old version of myself, and I was not getting there. Now, as I started to practice mindfulness, this is something that happened at a very subconscious level, and I actually recently realized that I had made peace with my struggles already. So, as I started to practice mindfulness, what happened is I made peace with the fact that perhaps I have changed. Perhaps I am never going to be that Ruchika ever again. Perhaps I'm never going to have that same level of memory, that same focus, that amazing enthusiasm. Perhaps I'm never going to have the traits of that old self again. And it's okay for me to not have that. So what if I make peace with what I am today? And it was magic. As I started to make peace with the fact that you don't always have to be so productive, you don't always have to be that person, who you are proud of. You don't always have to be anything. You just have to be what you are right now. The moment I understood this, my struggles finished. Not only did I make peace with the fact that I had changed, for whatever reason, it doesn't even matter. I made peace with everything in my life that is right now. And the good part is, even without having the intention of getting my focus and energy back, I got it back. So this is the trick of the mind, yeah. So I had no intentions of getting it back because I just thought I'm just fed up of this struggle. Let me drop it. Let me make peace with it. What I have today is okay for me. The moment I accepted this, I got my focus back. I got a lot of things. Now it's not that this has created an expectation for me to make peace with myself so that I find my old traits again. No. It's just to make peace with myself. That's it. Whatever I get out of it, whether it's my focus, my energy, XYZ, anything, that is a byproduct. That is a bonus for me. I'm not asking for it. I just made peace with what I am today. So, if you are listening to this video today, I am sure that you are one of the people who had the same struggle that I was having. That where is my old self? I used to be this happy person. A lot of people have told me in my therapy session that, Ruchika, I used to be so productive. I am not like that anymore. Sometimes you are able to figure out reasons as to what went wrong, as to, why did you change? And then we can obviously address them in sessions to understand what happened and then to bring you back to your real self. Obviously we do that, but then when that does not help, okay, when you're not struggling with life but you're just struggling to find your own self, and when nothing is helping, then the best thing is to make peace with what you are today, because that is what you have today. It's like, one bird in hand is worth two in the bushes. So you'd better cherish what you have today rather than just struggling with something you don't have. Because what if you never get it back? How many years of struggle are you going to create for yourself more? I thought of sharing my story because probably it could be of use to you, people who have had similar struggles. I am sure that this will help you in some way or the other to make peace with what you are today. Yeah? So let's be very, very kind to ourselves and tell us that sometimes, yes, we do change. We don't know why we do change, but sometimes we do change. And it's okay to go through changes because change is the only thing that's permanent. Yeah? It's okay to go through changes, and it's okay to feel whatever you feel. It's okay to make peace with what you are today, and that is when you actually clear out a lot of mental clutter, a lot of mental junk. So when you are at peace with yourself, it's like you are creating an empty space inside of yourself because there is no judgment anymore. You are okay with it. And when there is this empty space, you start receiving all the positivity, all the gifts of the universe that you had stopped, that you had blocked, from receiving. So if you have to take one lesson from my life, from my years of struggle, so I had been struggling with this issue at least for the past 8 years, and I'm not kidding. Okay, it was my daily struggle. Like, I have shared this problem with so many people and I just could not bring peace with what was happening, and slowly mindfulness helped me to get my answers. So I hope you get your answers with this. Whatever you feel right now, whatever you have in life today, even if you don't feel it's the best, still this is what you have. You don't have to be proud of it, but just make peace with it. At least drop your judgments. Okay, so just clear yourself of all your self judgments, make peace with what you are today as a person, and I'm sure you will start receiving all that positivity. So I hope this helps you all, and this is my personal story for today. If you think that this is something that any one of your associates, any one of your friends, your loved ones should know, who could be having the same struggle, please share it with them so that they can also make peace with themselves and they can start living a more fulfilling, a more happy life. Okay, so thank you, and I'm going to take off, and namaste.